Hi, this is for those of you who are unfamiliar with working with pomegranates. What I did first was I scrubbed the outside of my pomegranate with soap and water and a scrubby brush because there is a lot of preservatives and chemicals that are sprayed on this, even just for the transportation. And since it's going to be sitting in the same water that the seeds are going to be in, I want it to be clean. So I've quartered my pomegranate and I'm just going to break it up inside of the water here. This goes very, very quickly. The little red parts of the pomegranate, those are called arils, A-R-I-L-S. And the white part, this pith, is inedible. It protects these seeds that are in here. You see a lot more pomegranates around Christmas time. It's the season wherever they're grown. I think mine come from Egypt or Turkey. I'm not sure where they're grown. Could even be Spain. So I'm just really quite aggressively just pushing these right off of the white part. It comes very easily and quickly. You see, some people will tell you to turn it over and whack it with a spoon, and that might work for some people. I've tried that myself, but I end up getting a pomegranate juice and pomegranate spray all over everything, and for me that just makes a big mess. So my mess is contained here. I'm doing this in my sink. Get this off of here, and I can just peel this right off. I've left this really nice big chunk here. And see, they just pop right off of the white. And if they're good, then they float to the bottom. Some of the lighter ones might float to the top. But you can see as I'm doing it that the white also floats to the top. And since it's an edible, we want to get rid of that. There, I think I've gotten them all. So all I'm going to do is just take my hand, run it around, and get those out of there. See how quickly that went? There we go. And I'm just going to strain these. Get rid of these. I use my canning funnel for a lot of things, so it just makes it easier to put it inside of my jar. And this is going to be in my refrigerator, and it's ready to use. I can put them on top of salads. I can add it to my breakfast. And that is how I do my pomegranates. Thank you for watching. My name is Jill, and I hope you have a great day.